morning, Riders. This is Ms. Charpentier, first grade teacher at Richter Elementary. We are going to be writing part of our final draft today. We have been working on it for 2 days. This is our third day, and so you will need your writing journal and a pencil for this lesson. So if you don't have your journal and a pencil, pause the video and go get it. All right, so with Miss Wallace and Miss Arno, you wrote your final draft. You actually wrote the words and the sentences in your final draft. This is the final draft that Miss Arno wrote. I like to swim in my grandma's pool. When it is hot, she makes lemonade for me. I have fun playing with her dogs. And Miss Arno used her very best handwriting, and she used her first paper with all of her corrections. You can see here that she has corrections made. She used this paper to write her final draft, and that's what a really good writer does. And so what we're going to work on today is our pictures. And so I know that whenever you're making your rough draft, when we first start writing, we start with our pictures and then we add sentences. But with our final draft, we really want to focus on our sentences first and make sure that those are written correctly and neatly, and then we get to add in pictures. And so what I've done is I've read Miss Arno's story, and then I drew the picture for it. Now, I did not color my picture. I did not add any details. All I did was draw with a pencil my picture that matches the story, because she says, I like to swim in Grandma's pool. So I drew a pool with me swimming in it. And then she says, when it is hot, she makes lemonade for me. So I drew a little table with a cup, and I'm probably going to label my picture so that I can know what it is. And then I drew a picture of the sun because it's hot. And so I'm not going to color it today because I want to use my very best writing strategies so that I can draw a picture. And so then I'm going to label my picture. So this is my lemonade. This is me. This is the pool. And then I have the sun over here. And so I know that you can't really see the words that I'm writing, but just know that I labeled a few things in my picture that match the words on my page. And so I know how to spell my labels because I'm labeling what I wrote about. We should not have extra things in our pictures that's not in our paper because we want them to match. It has to make sense. And so today, all you're going to do is draw your picture and label it. We are not going to use any crayons just yet. That'll come tomorrow. And so I want you to pause this video and read your writing, your final draft writing, and think, what main details do I need to include in my picture, my final picture for this story? So pause the video and do that really quickly. You're just thinking about your picture. All right, I'm glad you're back. Now that you have an idea of what you're going to draw, you can actually put pencil to paper and draw your picture. Remember, you are just using a pencil today, no crayons. We cannot wait to see these pictures. Please attach your work today to Google Classroom so that we can see what you're working on. Tomorrow, we'll take out our colors. Bye, guys.